Is your sink draining slower than your Monday morning? Don't panic, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how to unclog a drain fast, using stuff you probably already have at home. No plumber, no fancy tools, just a simple DIY drain unclogging method that works like magic. Hey there! Welcome back to the channel where we solve your everyday problems one hack at a time. Today's mission? Fixing that clogged drain. Whether it's your kitchen sink, bathroom sink, or shower drain, I've got you covered. Look, drain clogs happen. Between hair, grease, food scraps, and mystery gunk, it's only a matter of time. But before you grab the phone and call a plumber and drop $100, let me show you the best way to unclog a drain yourself. No harsh chemicals, no stress, and yes, it's safe for your pipes. Step 1. The classic combo. Baking soda and vinegar to unclog drain. Here's how. Pour 1 cup of baking soda directly into the drain. Follow with 1 cup of white vinegar. Watch it fizz. That's science doing its thing. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes to break down the grime. Finish it off with a kettle of boiling hot water. This works wonders for kitchen drains clogged with grease or bathroom drains full of soap scum and hair. Still stuck? Try this quick fix for grease clogs. Boil a kettle of water. Add a few tablespoons of dish soap into the drain. Then slowly pour the hot water down. This helps melt greasy buildup, especially great for a clogged kitchen sink. For stubborn hair clogs in bathroom drains, grab a drain snake or a cheap plastic zip tool. You can get them for a couple bucks online. Insert it into the drain, twist, and pull. Trust me, it's gross but incredibly satisfying. One big mistake to avoid? Don't rely on chemical drain clog removers too often. They might work once, but over time they can damage your pipes, especially if you're using them in older plumbing. Want to avoid this mess in the future? Use a drain strainer to catch food and hair. Once a month, flush your drains with hot water and a little baking soda. That's your best defense against clogs coming back. And just like that, your drain's flowing again, and your wallet is still intact. If this saved you a plumber visit, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips. Got your own DIY drain unclogging tricks? Drop them in the comments below.